Hi, welcome back to the new video. Do you know why there was a spike in net migration in January under the Albanese government? The Albanese government has been actively working to curb net migration by implementing stricter policies, particularly through increased refusal rates of student visas and slower processing times. Stay tuned for more information on this issue. And if you find this content helpful, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Despite these efforts, the figures for net permanent and long-term movements in January 2024 reached a record high of 55,330, compared to 21,500 in January 2023. This substantial increase prompts the question, what led to this surge? The notable rise in net permanent and long-term movements in January 2024 is closely aligned with the significant increase in the number of long-term temporary entrants in Australia during the same period. This includes a surge in bridging visa holders, New Zealand citizens, students, working holiday makers, skilled temporary entrants, temporary graduates, and other temporary visa holders. Additionally, very few COVID visa holders departed Australia in January 2024. Comparing the 7-month periods ending in January 2023 and January 2024, there was a notable disparity, with the latter recording a substantial increase in net permanent and long-term movements. This significant difference, totaling 127,950 more movements in the first 7 months of 2023-24 compared to the same period in 2022-23, should be of concern to the government. Two critical questions arise. What factors contributed to the heightened levels of net permanent and long-term movements in 2023-24 compared to the preceding year, and does this indicate that net migration for 2023-24 will surpass the 518,000 recorded in 2022-23? Traditionally, prior to the pandemic, net long-term and permanent movements exceeded net migration due to individuals changing their migration or long-stay intentions and leaving Australia at a relatively high rate. However, the reverse has been observed since the pandemic, particularly evident in 2022-23 when a significant number of short-term arrivals extended their stays for over 12 months. The Albanese government's focus on curbing the growth in student numbers, given their significant contribution to net migration, is noteworthy. While there was a net outflow of students in November and December 2023, January 2024 saw a net inflow, potentially including those who left previously returning. However, the impact of these movements on the overall net migration remains to be seen. February typically witnesses a substantial influx of students, both returning and new arrivals, which could further influence net migration figures. The challenge for the government lies in whether its tightened student policies and increased refusal rates are sufficient to achieve the forecasted reduction in net migration for 2023-24. Additionally, Australian citizen movements, particularly the significant net inflow observed in January 2024, may have contributed to the overall surge in net permanent and long-term movements. The extent to which expatriates returning to Australia will remain long-term could significantly impact the government's migration forecasts for the year. Top of form.
We hope you appreciate our efforts to provide important and accurate immigration information. Please share your feedback and suggestions in the comments section. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to show your support, and yes, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for your valuable time, and we hope to see you again soon with another video. If you need any further assistance or want to discuss anything related to your immigration dreams, then you can book an expert consultation session with our team of registered migration consultants.